Breitlander here, co-owner of Krain Luxury Real Estate.
And today I'd like to show you one of our top luxury listings.
Hello everyone, Sarah Breitlander here, co-owner of Krain Luxury Real Estate and Krain Vacation Rentals here in beautiful Costa Rica. Those of you who know us know that we love real estate. But did you know that we also manage some of the most breathtaking vacation homes in the Papagayo Peninsula? And today I am thrilled to introduce you to a unique beachfront retreat, one that is designed to connect you with nature, pamper your senses, and leave you feeling rejuvenated and inspired. If you've ever longed to completely escape the ordinary and immerse yourself in a world of beauty and tranquility, then follow me as we step into the unforgettable realm of Cinco Monos. The Papagayo Peninsula is an exclusive tropical haven just 45 minutes from the Liberia International Airport. Here we have Cinco Monos, which isn't just a villa, it's an experience. Think of it as your own private resort, composed of 4 separate living modules, each tucked into a lush, landscaped garden with pathways that guide you from one enchanting space to another. This innovative and forward-thinking design allows you and up to 12 guests to relax in total comfort, with the perfect balance of shared gathering spots and intimate hideaways. Here you're free to laugh with loved ones over sunset cocktails, find a quiet corner to unwind with a book, and discover the pure joy of living in the moment. Cinco Monos offers 6 exquisitely appointed bedrooms spread across 2 separate modules. Each suite envelops you in comfort. Sumptuous bedding, peaceful decor, and floor-to-ceiling windows that welcome gentle breezes and breathtaking ocean views. At the heart of this retreat is an expansive dual-level infinity pool that seemingly floats into the horizon. Dip into its cool waters or unwind in the adjoining jacuzzi while admiring the shimmering Gulf of Papagayo. This is a place where you can greet the morning sun with a revitalizing swim or let the evening sky enchant you from the poolside terrace. The main module awaits here with a chic, light-filled living room, an inviting chef's kitchen, and a grand dining area for seating up to 12. For those who crave a healthy lifestyle, the fitness center, encased entirely in glass, lets you break a sweat while viewing the lush jungle below. Here at Cinco Monos, every need is anticipated, every desire attended to. With our concierge services, you'll never have to lift a finger to arrange your next adventure. Embark on a private sailing charter, zip line through the rainforest canopy, explore hidden waterfalls, or watch sea turtles nesting under the moonlight. Indulge in an in-villa spa treatment, have a private chef dazzle your taste buds, or rent a golf cart to cruise between nearby beaches. Your experience here is fully customizable, designed to fulfill your vision of paradise, whatever that may be. The Papagayo Peninsula is home to an astonishing array of life and leisure. You'll discover a world of high-class dining options, premier tennis courts, and a championship golf course. This is also the home to the Four Seasons Resort and the Ritz-Carlton. From 5-star dining to challenging surf breaks, you can tailor each day to your whims. Thank you for joining me in discovering the magic of Cinco Monos. If you are looking for that vacation that transcends the ordinary, then look no further. From all of us here at Krain Vacation Rentals, we cannot wait to welcome you to your Costa Rican paradise. Until next time, pura vida.